or Efron, kasi mga magandang okay. Are you ready? Okay, confident first. Yeah, take it easy. Santai saja, ya. Yeah. Yeah, you may use the microphone. And then you may start. Okay, go ahead.
Welcome viewers. This evening we have a charming local short trip from the breathtaking Cimahi in West Java. Here on Breaking News English, I'm Putri Zara presenting you the latest news. Among the stunning thoughts of Cimahi are remarkable trails sweeping through as Kazaba takes center stage, transforming the traditional foods. This resilient crop, perfectly suited to the local climate, is not only nourishing the community but also promoting eco-friendly farming practice. Kazaba has become a reliable source of income for farmers in Cimahi, as they can thrive in diverse conditions and reduce their dependence on rice. The shift towards Kazaba is not just about diversifying crops, but also about building resilience in the face of climate change. By promoting Kazaba cultivation, food security, and sustainable livelihoods for future generations are ensured. However, there is still a stigma surrounding Kazaba as an inferior food. The head of the Center for Diversification of Consumption and Food Safety, Yasir Taufik, acknowledges the stigma but highlights the potential of Kazaba as a source of carbohydrates and its advantages over rice. The Indonesian government aims to revitalize the crop and increase Kazaba consumption nationally in 2022. They plan to make Kazaba an alternative for rice up to 3 times and are seeking innovations in processed staple foods that are practical, tasty, healthy, contemporary, and have social values. In terms of nutrition, Kazaba is considered a healthy substitute for rice with a lower glycemic index and a rich fiber content. As Kazaba gains momentum as an alternative to rice in Cimahi, it not only changes diets, but also empowers communities and fosters a more sustainable future. Join us next time as we continue to explore the latest trends and innovations in the world of cuisine. Until then, keep savoring the flavors of change. Good night. Good morning.